Nigeria. My name is Dele Momodu and I'm reaching you live. We're about to connect to one of my best friends ever, the great musician, the guitarist, Sir Shina Peters. Tonight is going to be exceptional. So you just watch it. We're starting on a different note. So I expect Sir Shina to join me in a minute, and then the show will begin. Okay, I've seen Sir Shina now. No. I've seen Sir Shina now.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yé, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yé, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò.
Wow. Wow.
Dele Momodu, Dele Momodu, Dele Momodu, Dele Momodu, Dele mi yé, Dele mi yóò, Dele mi yé, Dele mi yóò, Dele Momodu, ọ̀rẹ́ mi yóò.
Wow. Sir Shina Peters on the guitar. Wow. Wow.
Hi bro.
Sir Shina Peters. Thank you so much. Are you still playing guitar?
Yeah, I'm playing my guitar.
Okay, that is good. Wow. 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 Thank you. Oremi, thank you.
Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Okay, we are going to start the show now. And before we start properly, I want us to pay a special tribute to Sir Victor Olaiya, who departed. The last time I spoke with Two-Face, we couldn't get the music ready. So we're going to play the music, the remix with Two Baba.
Let me do my own first.
Okay, please go ahead.
Ọmọ pupa ọmọ pupa pupa
Well done. Okay, let's have the music.
I see the sun in your eyes. I see the stars in your eyes. I see the colors of the rainbow in your eyes. So baby, it's not play. Let me make you stop and stop playing. I say make you stop on me before you come back to me again. Come to see and come to my love, my baby, baby love, baby love, me and you. Now you will be my mama too. Only you, only you, only
Okay, so good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is Dele Momodu, and I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria, the heart of Africa. With me on the show this evening is the one and only Sir Shina Peters. Let me start by thanking you, Sir Shina Peters. You are my friend, you are my brother, you are my egbon. You are my egbon any day. I have tremendous respect and regards for you. So I just want to say something. On the night of my wedding in Ijebu, we were in Ijebu Day for the night party.
yes.
I was getting dressed with my wife, Mobolaji Adaramaja. And then I heard Shina playing on stage. We were still dressing. My wife was not ready. I was ready. Then, can you remember the groom leaving the bride behind? And I jumped and went straight to your stage. Can you remember?
Yes.
Okay, let's have it.
Ẹ kíra fún Délé o, Délé ń bọ̀, Délé ti dé, ẹ̀yin lọ̀tẹ̀ forí balẹ̀, ọkọ ìyá yìí ti dé, agídí yóò ṣe é ṣe mọ́, ègbó ti tán lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ ní ẹ̀bẹ̀ ọ̀yà á máa bẹ̀bẹ̀, kọ́mọ mọ̀mọ́dún fún yín lówó gẹ́bí jẹun lọ́la, ojú yìí bá ń mọ́ o, ẹ̀fọ́ lọ́bọ̀jú, ògbó ti tán lọ́wọ́ ọmọ pàbàpàbà lókùn lẹ́sẹ̀ kéde wọ́n gbàgbé kò sóde gbà látò káwọ́ lé gbégbà sílà àárọ̀ yíjẹ yíyọkùn nímú tẹ̀ ń yọ ní lójú tẹ̀ ń ké ní egbére ẹni egbére ọ̀tọ̀ nǹkan gidi àti bàbá ìṣọ̀tọ̀ ọjọ́ ní bàbá
ẹ máa yá bẹ̀bẹ̀ nílé ọmọ dùpá.
ọmọ bàbá dùn.
December 1992.
Yes.
Ìjẹ̀bú Òde gbàlejò. Ìjẹ̀bú
wọ́n gbà.
No. And then in the morning, he stopped performing at 6 o'clock. Then my mother-in-law had arranged for breakfast for everybody, all the guests. We're not going anywhere. Then at 8 o'clock, Sir Shina Peters, this versatile man, started playing reggae, different tunes. Can you give us a different tune apart from Juju? Any of your tunes that you remember playing, whether reggae, whether whatever.
That I remember. When you came downstairs.
No, in the morning, the breakfast, when we started the breakfast party, the second leg. Yes.
I played a song of Chief Commander, my godfather, Chief Commander Nisobe, for you there.
Okay.
Baby mi jọ̀wọ́ jẹ́ kájọ máa gbádùn. Ọ̀dọ́ mi jọ̀wọ́ jẹ́ kájọ máa gbádùn. Àyàtọ̀wọ́ yá yìí ló ṣiṣẹ́ ọkọ rẹ̀. Ọkọ̀ tọwọ́ yá yìí ló ṣiṣẹ́ àjà rẹ̀. Bọ́lájí bẹ́lẹ́ kò bá sọ ẹ̀kọ́ bá máa ṣe ìyá.
Wow. There is yet another story that I must tell. When I was chasing my wife, she was a student at the University of Ife, and she was doing a lot of shakara. You won't believe what I did. I took Shina Peters from Lagos, and we drove all the way to Ife, and how the ladies recognized as Shina Peters. Then come and hear Shina. I said, it's good to be a superstar. I was jealous. I was very jealous. Then we went in, we invited Bolaji and our friends. We went to a party, and then we got back to the hotel. My wife said, we can't stay in the same room.
We went to Ondo.
I remember. She said, no. At the end of the day, I had to go and call Shina. Come and beg this woman, no, because she said I won't enter room. Today, she's my wife. Thank you, Shina Peters.
Thank God. Thank you, bro.
Thank you. So now, Shina, let's start. You are a very, very young star. You were our Michael Jackson. How did you start?
Thank you.
How did you start music? How did you go into music?
Well. You know my background. If you are capable of saying movement, definitely you must have that in you, because you know capable of saying we play a lot of music, a lot of drums, clapping, you know, spiritually we are band, you know. And don't forget that my late mother was the leader of Kerubu and Seraphim Singer. Maybe I got the inspiration from her, because she was a wonderful woman, very pretty.
Mama Shina.
So I left them when I was 10, because Dele Koyili láti ẹrọ̀fọ̀ pátápátá ni o, pátápátá tí ò sí kankan, you know, mo dẹ̀ ní àwọn singles lẹ́yìn. So I said to myself, let me go out there, so I can take good care of my siblings. So all this, I said to myself that I want to play music. I went to Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey, my godfather, and Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey told me to go and invite my father, because ọmọ kékeré at 10, age of 10, ó má dàbí pé bàbá. Then I asked my father to follow me to Chief Commander Ebenezer Obey, which he did, and they talked, and my father gave me his blessing. He gave me his blessing, and since then I've been into the music industry. You can imagine at age of 10, you can imagine mi ò allow ara mi kí n máa mu gbó àbí kí n máa mu sìgá. I was focused, and I promised my parents that tí n bá make it, I won't come back home. And thanks to God, I left home 1968 or 69. So my first London with late General Prince Adekunle, my mother and the family members, all those shares, they came to the airport, láti wá pàdé mi. And I said to them that we all have to go back. I want to see my dad. Chief Commander Obey, we went to our house together, and since then, I've been on the streets. Not until this COVID-19 came, locked everybody up,
Wow. Fantastic. So from General Adekunle, you combined with your friend.
Yes.
Adewale.
Yes.
So tell me about that partnership.
The partnership. Ogún ọmọdé kì í ṣe ogún ọdún. I was living with the owner of our recording label there, Emola Kasim, Moxin. So there was this fracas between my former boss, late General Prince Adekunle, and Emola Kasim. The principal kan mi ò kí n bó nílé jẹ, kí n bó nílé mu, ó wá dọjọ́ kú kí n yẹrí. Prince Adekunle ó fẹ́ fi Emola Kasim lẹ̀, ilé Kasim lèmi dẹ̀ ń gbé, òun ló fún mi lóúnjẹ. So I said to Prince that, okay, at this junction, I cannot follow you and leave my mentor. Then I have to invite Segun Adewale to band here. So that's how we started, and the man, Emola Kasim, promised that he's going to set me up with the full equipment, buses, and everything that contained to be a full musician. So me and Segun Adewale, Segun can sing very well. I wasn't into singing, because I so much believe in instrument. I can play guitar, I can play sax, I can play keyboard, name all these Western equipment, I can play all. So I focus on the instrument Segun was singing. Then, because of ideology, the ideas of two of us were compatible in terms of he wanted us to be under someone's shadow till it's either we play like Sonny or we play like Obe. And I said that no, we have to create our own identity. So then he refused. Then I said, okay, fine. If you cannot take to my advice, then we separated. And what I intended doing that time did by creating Afrobeat. Number one, I want to use my music to unify the country. Remember, then if you play Yoruba music where Hausa or Igbo man.
Sashina, just 1 minute. People are complaining about the audio. The audio is okay here. Ovation TV, how is the audio on the audio? Let me explain something. We cannot control the internet in your homes. We can only control the internet that we are using. And I'm hearing him loud and clear. So I don't know. Maybe you also have to move around, but here in our production room, it is perfect. Trust me, it is. If it is not, I would have terminated it. I'm hearing him very well, so there's no point terminating a good conversation. So if you are at home and you are not hearing, it means that your internet probably has some connection problem. But I am here in Glasgow, yes. Someone just sent a message from Glasgow that they are hearing it very clearly. Yes, Abiola just said, yes, thumbs up, they are hearing. So it might be your internet. We had to bring in engineers from various networks yesterday to work on this. We cannot control individual homes. In South Africa, they said they are hearing us very well. In the UK, they are hearing us well. So I believe even in the US, it does not mean that you don't have network problems. I live in England as well, and in my house, I don't have good networks. But I can hear him on our end, then I will terminate and we will start over again. So, Sashina.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah, people are saying it.
Yes, I can hear you in London.
Yes, even in Raleigh, they are telling me it is very clear in Raleigh. So, please, Sashina, continue with, you were talking about you want to unite Nigeria and all that.
Yes. You remember then, if you play Yoruba music, like music of Chikomanda or Ebenezer Obey, my godfather, all respect, my King Tony Ade, all respect, where Hausa or Igbo man, number one, they will tell you straight up that I beg, promote that Ngbati music. Then I said to myself that I want to play a music that I will be able to carry along the Igbos and the Hausas. And at the same time, I want to play music that will be danceable to all the students. I want to play music that will unify the country together. So I went to Fela, and Fela advised me. And that's
the same Fela Anikulapo Kuti.
Fela is my hero all till today because he advised me, he said, Shina, make I tell you, if you want your music to go to places, make your lyrics 50% of English or pidgin English and make 50% of Yoruba in Yoruba. You know, and that is why you are hearing something like, right now, we are ready to play music. We are ready, yo. I want to play. You want to dance? Or make una dance, yo. Make una dance, yo. Omoge, you find baby, yo. That's why you see that I always mix my lyrics either pidgin English or cut across.
Okay, we'll stop there and we will give you that year, over 30 years ago, when you changed the face of music in Nigeria. So let's have it. Wow, 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 wow. Let me tell you something, Sir Shina Peters. The day you launched this album, I believe it was at the Railway Club in Ebute Metta. Recreation. Yes, in Ebute Metta. I was a reporter at Concord. 1989, I was a reporter. 89, I remember I was a reporter at Weekend Concord, and I was sent by my boss. Yes, Mr. Mike Awunifa. Mr. Mike Awunifa sent me to that launch, and that was where I first met my friend, the footballer John Fashanu. You know, his hand was in bandage that day, and I met him. I was able to interview him, and you and I became friends from that moment. And I also want to tell you, in case you don't remember, we now did a cover. We've never done a cover, full cover on any artist at that time. And we now did a cover on Afro Juju is the latest craze in town. We did Sir Shina Peters. Afro Juju is the latest craze in town. That was the first time we will do a full cover of Weekend Concord. I'm sure I still have it in my library. Then you and I started meeting. We started meeting. Mayo Akinpelu, Kunle Bakare, Gboyega Okegbero, Femi Akintunde Johnson. You remember our clique at that time. So by the time you were going to produce your next album, and I must pay Shinomania, I must pay special tribute to Uncle Laolu Akins, your producer. If he's listening or someone who knows him is listening, I am sending my highest regards to that man. The man was so meticulous, very efficient. It was detailed. Your drumming, your percussion, your guitar. And I remember Ali the drummer. Your drummer at the time. I also remember your brother Gbenga in your band. And Tessie Yembra, your dancer. The lady who led. Oh my God. So please take it from there. So we know, okay, this looks very fine. Sashino, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, so I was asking you, how did you manage to release such a monster? It was a monster. In fact, my mother-in-law used to tell me that I should go and work for you because I will sing Shino from morning till night. I've never seen it. It was total madness. So tell us how you were able to package such an album.
Well, Dele, I will tell you the miracle behind AIDS. Èmi ò mọ̀. I don't know. Honestly, the back credit alone. You know, no. God has been so wonderful. You know, I think God just used me as an apostle, you know, for that music. That music is beyond me. That music is beyond me. In fact, I'm speechless because I don't want to fool myself. I can't tell you that this is how I come about, you know, about that music. You see, that music, even ọmọ tó wà nínú oyún tó bá ti délé ayé ó ń kọ. You can imagine kí ọmọ àwọn tó ń ṣèyàwó, àwọn tí mò ń ṣèyàwó ń sìn, wọn ò tí ì bí wọn nígbà tí èsì yẹn jáde ní 30 years ago. And àwọn tó ń ṣèyàwó nísìn ọmọ 20 something ọmọ compare fáwọn parents wọn pé if you cannot call Sashino for us, forget it. Tí n bá lọ sí concert àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké àwọn ọmọ wíníwíní wọ́n máa kọrin yẹn wọ́n máa kọ́jú èmi kan lọ. From beginning to the end. So it's beyond me. Don't let me. Now
there was something else you did that was very, very unusual. The new crop of young Ajebotas, the Ajebotas in town, the business people in town, everybody up to Aliko Dangote, to Mohammed Gobi, to Femi Otedola, to Lanre Tejuosho, to Segun Awolowo. Can you tell me?
Abiola.
Yes, Kola Abiola. Can you tell me how you everybody was into your music?
You see, there's no way you can be a successful musician without creating a base or fans for yourself. All these mentioned names by you. Our parents wọn Sunny Ebenezer Obey ni wọ́n máa ń jó. Àwọn máa jó disco lẹ́yìn ilé. So wọ́n discover pé music kan tún ti wà ń sìn yìí o, you know, Lanre Tejoso just because Lanre is, I'm like Baba Lanre, Baba mi ṣe ni àti Lanre Tejoso pẹ̀lú kábíyèsí ló train mi, kábíyèsí gbogbo bídàgbà ni kò fẹ́yìn kábíyèsí ọba Adéwálé Adédàpọ̀ Tejoso kábíyèsí o. Kí Lanre bá ní òkè kí wá play commander máa play fáwọn bàbá kémi play fáwọn ọ̀rẹ́ òun. So bí mo ṣe lọ play nìyẹn tí mo rí gbogbo àwọn tó dárúkọ yẹn Kẹ́mi Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́lá, Aliko Dangote, Kwebu Tandor, Ejipa Sakpanza, you see all these àwọn ọmọ olówó yìí. Gbogbo abábẹ̀ sí abáṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ mísìkì yìí. Àwọn bàbá wọn ti kó níwájú commander ti park. Àwa sì ṣe fàájì lọ báwọn parents wọn ṣe jọ ìwà nìyẹn. That's how all started. You know? So ló fi wá di wípé àwọn ọmọ olówó ni wọ́n jíjó ìṣínà.
I also remember.
Ìyẹn náà miracle ni. Ẹni tí kò lọ yunifásitì tí ò gba degree tí ò graduate tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé music ẹ̀ ni gbogbo àwọn ọmọ olówó sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ máa jó sí sórí pé iṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run náà sì ni. Ọrẹ Olúwa ni ọrẹ Olúwa ìbùkún Olúwa látọ̀run màrè bó bá ṣènìyàn á ti sìn rèé ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ìbùkún Olúwa ló fún mi mo wẹ̀yìn mi wo àwọn tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn mi ẹ sá máa tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ ọrẹ Olúwa rèé o.
Kí ló ń bà mí lẹ́rù ẹ sọ fáyé.
Kí ló fò wá láyà ẹ jẹ́ káyé gbọ́ ẹ̀rù ò bá wá coronavirus náà ni.
Okay, now I want to take you back. Can you give me one of your strategies was to have special anthem for your fans. Can you give me Femi Otedola what you used to sing for him?
My hero, Femi Otedola. Femi Otedola. Òyìnbó ní kàlẹ́ndà Impact Press tí wọ́n ní ìgbà yẹn Fẹ́mi kàlẹ́ndà ló ń ṣe. Wọ́n máa print kàlẹ́ndà for the best color separation, for the best printing job. Impact Press na there I go do my calendar o. They aviation calendar na there dem dey do am. Peter's calendar. Na there dem dey do am UBA, Access Bank, na there dem dey do am Federal Calendar job. Ibẹ̀ náà ti ń ṣe o, kàlẹ́ndà tó dára. Mo láàlá kan, mo rí Fẹ́mi Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́là o. Ó jókòó sórí àga gómìnà, ó ṣe bí apàṣẹ. Ó ní Fẹ́mi Ọ̀tẹ́dọ́là o. Olúwa ló fi yẹ́ṣọ lórí àyànmọ́ ẹni. Bó dẹ́nu lé Fẹ́mi ìjọ. Ìjòṣínà ló máa jó ìjòṣínà.
Oh my God. Okay, give me Ṣẹ́gun Awólọ́wọ̀.
Olúṣẹ́gun Awólọ́wọ̀. Ṣẹ́gun Ṣẹ́gẹ́ Awólọ́wọ̀. Tọ́ bá pọ̀ bá Fẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ á máa jó. Tọ́ bá pọ̀ bá Fẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ á máa náwó. Ọmọ kan tó kí bàbá ẹ̀ tó mú jójó. Ọmọ kan tó pe bàbá ẹ̀ tó fowó yẹ ẹni sí. Bí ò fowó lẹni lórí, á fowó ránṣẹ́ sí ni. Ọmọ àlè náà máa kí bàbá ẹ̀ ló máa dẹnu kúdúrú àbí kó ṣojú kóíkóí. Ọmọ àlè náà máa kí bàbá ẹ̀ torí ẹ̀ ò ní wú. irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá nà bàbá ẹ̀ níṣojú ẹ̀ kò máa ní dá sí ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ fi Ṣẹ́gun sílẹ̀ ọmọ ọkọ ni ẹ fi Ṣẹ́gun sílẹ̀ akọni ni bàbá kú bíná bá kú àfẹrúbojú bọ́gẹ̀dẹ̀ bá kú àfọmọ ẹ̀rọ pọ̀ ẹ fi Ṣẹ́gun sílẹ̀ ọmọ ọkọ ni yé ọmọ àbá ọmọ international fashion designer labalẹ̀ náà ti àgbáyé ọmọ àbá designer 91 designer 92 designer 93 designer 94 designer 95 designer 96 designer 97 century designer
Wow. Okay. Give me Lobito Disco.
Lobito Disco. Digging ding.
Wow.
Digging ding. Digging ding. Digging ding. Under the apple tree. Níbi tí Lobito mi ti ń gbafẹ́. Under the apple tree, onídọ̀tún, níjìta, níṣìta, 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 níṣìta. Under the apple tree, Lobito Disco, Mellow, Aridot Promotions. Yeah, mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbà pé wà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ ènìyàn. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbà pé wà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ ènìyàn. Ìyẹn ló mú mi má gbàgbé Lobito rárá. Ìyẹn ló mú mi má gbàgbé onídọ̀tún òtí wá ní o. Àlùlù fọ́ba, orin Lobito ni. Akọrin fún joyè, ijó Lobito ni. Àlùlù ní Stadium Hotel, ìlú Lobito ni. Yé, mo kọrin fún Délé. Orin Lobito ni àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Yépa onídọ̀tún Aridot Promotion ṣé òwe gbé tó ṣe Lobito
Disco. Gbẹgbẹgbẹ. Okay, now. Promotion. Please. Okay, now give me Ayọ̀ Subaya.
Ayọ̀ Subaya. Ayọ̀ Subaya ọkọ Yéwándé.
Fantastic.
Ayọ̀ Subaya ọkọ Yéwándé. Ọkọ Yéwándé mo bá ròde o. Ayọ̀mí ọkọ Yéwándé mo bá ròde. Àmọ́ Subaya o. Bélété bá tẹ̀sí ẹ̀ dé. Má má dá wọn lóhùn jẹ́ kó máa sọ̀sọ́kùsọ. Àwọn dàrú dàpọ̀ dàbí mo ṣe dá. Má má jẹ́ kó balẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́. Màmá dá wọn lóhùn jẹ́ kó máa sọ̀sọ́kùsọ. Prince Lanre wájú tẹ́jú oṣù. Ọmọ bá ní o. Àlọ́ Chief Rasaki yé o. Ọmọkọ̀ya. Bàbá wúrà rèé o. Ẹ fìlù àtòrin yẹ sí o. Lanre wájú. Ọmọdé. Mojí Ọmọkọ̀ya. Tọ́jú Mojí Sọ́lá Deliganza. Bó bá bínú fíkúnlẹ̀ bẹ́ o sísí mi. Bó bá bínú fíkúnlẹ̀ bẹ́ o sísí mi. Ẹ má ṣe bọ́tà àwọn ẹlẹ́gbọ̀n o. Ẹ má ṣe bọ́tà àwọn ẹlẹ́gbọ̀n o. Irọ́ ni wọ́n pa, èké ni wọ́n ń ṣe. Ọmọ olówó méjì, wọn ò lè fẹ́ra wọn. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n méjì, wọn ò lè fẹ́ra wọn. Ọmọwé méjì, wọn ò lè fẹ́ra wọn. Àwa ti rí bó lè ṣeé ṣe. A ti rí dájú bó lè ṣeé ṣe. Iṣẹ́ Olúwa ni ènìyàn kan ò láre ní. You are my darling, you are my sweetheart. I really love you, baby. I go born for you. Japa, love in Tokyo.
Wow. Now give me Aliko Dangote.
Ayédèrú Aliko Dangote. Aliko sugar mi. Aliko sugar mi. Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote. Aliko ọmọ gbajúmọ̀. Aliko ọmọ rólóye. Ọmọ làlíkò. Ọmọ làlíkò. Aliko Dangote, e go better for you. Aliko Dangote, e go better for you. E don better now. Aliko,
It don't
make
better.
you don't forget me.
It don't,
E don better now.
it don't better now. In fact, this one don't pass better. This one don't pass better. Okay, I have a few more for you. Give me Wale Otubanjo. Wale
Hey,
Otubanjo.
ó yá ká lọ sí ìjọ onítèmi yòó wá lè rọmọ Ọ̀túnbànjọ. Máa bá yẹn lọ, máa bá yẹn débẹ̀. Nílé bàbá yẹn, Mègídá ló ní tèmi ò wá lè rọmọ Ọ̀túnbànjọ. O ò tọrọ aṣọ, o ò tọrọ bàtà. Lọ́wọ́ wọn, ó ń fò, Wálé ń fò. International pastor tó gbólóge kò ní jábọ́. Aláwùrà jẹ́ orí náà jẹ́ orí ló rọmọ Ọ̀túnbànjọ. Wálé ń fò, London mo mi lọ o. Muritala Airport, Nigeria Airways. Wọ́n ní èrò pọ̀ nílẹ̀, wọ́n ní wọn ò ní gbé mi. Ọ̀kadà mú kọ́, wọ́n ní wọn ò ní gbé mi. Mo bá padà sílé. Ó dìjẹ̀bú nílé Wálé Ọ̀túnbànjọ. Níbẹ̀ ni mo ti wọ Walistic International Airways. Bí mo ṣe fò lọ nìyẹn, ó ń fò, Wálé ń fò. Ọkọ̀ tínú bèbí ó ṣe, ọkọ̀ tínú bèbí ó ṣe.
Wow. No, you are not going yet. You are not going yet. People are
Ladies and
requesting. We
gentlemen,
want
vivid imagination is the best choice
good.
as your designer.
Yeah, go
Ladies
ahead.
and gentlemen, vivid imagination is the best choice as your designer. Video is the best. Video, second to none.
Video.
Then they
Second to none.
Then they deserve more guys. Then they deserve Moshino Peters. Vivid imagination is the best choice as your designer. Go to the factories, 1,000 machines, 1,000 workers. Then they wait for you to design for you. Vivid imagination is the best choice as of ABBA. Everybody, go to vivid. Vivid imagination.
Everybody.
Basharodele
Vivid is still my number one designer till today. He will not be till today. I wrote a check for Vivid and sent to him that they should go and collect all the clothes he had made for me. He cancelled the check and sent it back to me downstairs. I will never forget. He cancelled the check. Oh, God bless you, Vivid. Goddy. Oh, now there used to be this young fan of yours when we were in Stadium Hotel in Surulere. Anytime he arrived, you must change your beat. Give me Segun Alawaye. Segun Alawaye.
Segun Alawaye.
Mo ti rọmọdé náwó.
Mo ti rọmọdé náwó. Mi ò ríru tí Ṣẹ́gun Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ ọmọ Aláwàyè. Bàdàbàdà bàmbàmbà. Bàmbàmbà. Bàdàbàdà bàmbàmbà. Mo ti rọmọdé náwó. Mi ò ríru tí Ṣẹ́gun Ṣẹ̀gẹ̀ ọmọ Aláwàyè. Ọ̀dọ́mọdé onífàájì tó gbafẹ́. Ọ̀dọ́mọdé onífàájì. Ọmọ Aláwàyè ti dé o, ọ̀gbẹ̀rì parẹ́ lójú agbo. Igi jẹgẹdẹ, abẹ́wẹ́wẹ́ ńlá, wẹ̀ńlá lórí. Àgùkọ kékeré tí ò fẹ́ kákúkọ gàgàró sí mi níbi kánáwó. Mọ́tò àsìkò lẹ́fẹ́ sọ tàbí taṣọ àsìkò, abàtàrí pọ̀ ta lẹ́kún. Áfíríkà rí o la máa jẹ. Áfíríkà rí o la máa jẹ.
Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí òyìnbó tó ń jẹ gàrí òpọ̀.
Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí òyìnbó tó ń jẹ gàrí òpọ̀. Mo ní tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí òyìnbó tó ń jẹ gàrí òpọ̀ nítorí Ṣẹ́gun Aláwàyè. Nítorí Ṣẹ́gun Aláwàyè. Funfun jàbá, dúdú jàbá, ọmọ Aláwàyè ó ṣé o.
Áfíríkà rí
o la máa jẹ.
Wow.
Happy gàrí o la máa jẹ.
Okay, give me Ladi Williams. God bless his soul in heaven. Ladi Williams. He was our chairman at that time in Stadium Hotel. Ladi Williams. Hello, your phone is playing up. Hello. 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 Shino, can you move around because we are perfectly in order at my end. Hello. Sorry if I just made you cry. Sorry, but there is no way we can forget our chairman, Ladi Williams. Yeah, we can't forget him. We can't forget him. Sorry, Shino. Very sorry. Wow. You can move your phone around, please. You can move your phone around because I think I'm very clear. Can someone Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, your phone. It's your phone.
Yeah.
Because we are very okay.
I'm outside here.
You're outside. Okay. So try. If it doesn't go, then I will have to bring you up. Now we're at the peak. Everybody is watching now.
Yeah. Máa kó wa jẹ nìṣó Báṣọ̀run. Máa kó wa jẹ nìṣó Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò. Àti dá ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Polórí ló jẹ́. Tògùn kọ́ o. Ọ̀run ló ti mọ rí owó wáyé ògbó sọ fún wọn. Network here.
The network is quite bad. Just move around a bit. Otherwise, I will have to cut it off and then start over again. Please don't sing MKO yet. Okay?
Okay.
Ladi Williams ọmọ bọ́sẹ̀ onílé-eré. Oya, let's start.
Ladi Williams ọmọ bọ́sẹ̀ onílé-eré. Ìyá nìyá Ladi òòrè. Ìyá nìyá Ladi òòrè. Ìrú Abọ́sẹ̀dé ṣọ̀wọ́n ìyá tí yóò sùn tí yóò wó lórí ọmọ. Ìyá nìyá Ladi òòrè. Adórúkọ bí ẹni yìn pọ̀mpù. Ladi Williams. Àtúntì bí ẹni tu tear gas. Ladi Williams o.
Good. Can you give me No, not yet. Don't be in a hurry. Tonight is our night. I wrote it down somewhere. Yes, Rotimi George Taylor. I cannot forget those people. Rotimi George Taylor. Oníjọ́jí o, ọmọ ní Taylor.
Àṣorúkọ lọ́rọ̀ rẹ ni Oníjọ́jí o, ọmọ ní Taylor. Múrímúrí ò lọ mọ́ ná.
He used to spend 20 naira notes for big money.
Èèyàn tí ò bá mọ̀ díẹ̀ kó lọ bínú kú o. Ìwọ jísòro wọn, ìwọ máa jẹ bàbá wọn lówó. Tó bá jẹ́ towó tó ń ná ló ń bí wọn nínú. Tàbí tàṣọ àsìkò tó wọ̀ sọ́rùn, ìyẹn ló fọ́ wọn lórí sí wọn níwọ̀n ìyá wọn wèrè. Àbí káwọ́ dúró ọmọkùnrin ká máa jowú. Èyíkéyìí tó bá jẹ́ nínú ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mú wọn wá síwájú Shina Peters. Káforin ṣàlàyé fún wọn. Àjọjì bọ́bọ̀ o. Ìwọ oníjàjì tẹ́lọ̀ yéé ní kò máa gbé jọjì o. Oníjàjì o, mo bá ròde.
Okay, Délé Ìlọrí.
Ẹjọ́ o, Délé Báṣọ̀run máa pa Délé.
A máa pa ẹ́ lálẹ́ yìí ni.
Délé Ìlọrí. onílé ọlọ́kọ̀ ojú omi ládó onílé ọlọ́kọ̀ òfurufú ní bọ́tá délédélé onílọ̀rí ò máa bá ẹ lọ délé onílọ̀rí ò máa bá ẹ lọ délé mi ò délé mi ò délé mi ò délé onílọ̀rí ò máa bá ẹ lọ onílé ọlọ́kọ̀ ojú omi ládó onílé ọlọ́kọ̀ òfurufú ní bọ́tá owó yìí ò lè tó òjijì ẹkùn ni tẹ bá bèrè lọ́wọ́ yíbò nípa délé àní délé obìnrin kí dàgàgà dédé tẹ bá bèrè lọ́wọ́ yorùbá nípa délé àní délé o bàbá ló jẹ́ o bàbá jọ́sẹ̀lú ni ìyẹn kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní dìbò fún kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní dìbò fún kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní dìbò fún àwọn Dàpọ̀ Williams o kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní dìbò fún o.
Okay, now let me give you another one. You won't rest today. You are in trouble. Since them Baba born them, they never sabi. Since them Baba born them, they never sabi.
Yes.
Show them, show them.
Na money they talk with, na power they talk with, na money they talk with. Money. You go they say na money they talk with, money they go away. Since the Papa born them, they never sabi. Hope. Since the Mama born them, they never sabi. That hope. Now he be Imo governor now. Uso.
Okay, now.
Yeah,
now. Okay, àwọn oh yeah, give me àwọn ọmọ bàbá 10 mo lè sọ nípa Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Mo lè sọ nípa Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣé kí n wí o.
Ilé ayé ni mò ń lọ. Sky Power gbé ní Délẹ́ṣà ilé ayé ni mò ń lọ. Tètè dá mi lóhùn o ọjọ́ lọ. Tètè dá mi lóhùn o ọjọ́ lọ. Sky Power dá mi lóhùn o ọjọ́ lọ. Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni àtẹ̀ka. Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹwẹ́lẹ́. Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni àtẹ̀ka o. Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré ọmọ ẹlẹ́ni ẹwẹ́lẹ́.
Ìjẹ̀ṣà òṣèré
olóbì wọ̀rọ̀gọ́. Olóbì wọ̀rọ̀gọ́.
Fálẹ́mi.
Olóbì wọ̀rọ̀gọ́. Èyí tó fẹ́ ni àwọ̀ sápò rẹ ni. Èyí tó fẹ́ ni àwọ̀ sínú igbó ẹranko ní fi jẹ. Dúdú lẹ́gbọ́n o, gbogbo àlàbúrò. Mo lè sọ nípa Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ṣé kí n wí o? Mo lè sọ nípa Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ṣé kí n wí? Délédé wí.
Wow, tonight is the night. So now this phone is giving us headache. Your phone is still not working perfectly.
Hey.
Or can people hear? Can you hear Sashina at home? Your audio is very bad, sir. I think we need to change it again. You need to move around again. Okay. Try and sing and let's see.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi o. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi o. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi yé. Délé Mọ̀mọ́dù.
Okay, now we'll sing for our father, Chief MKO, Ologududu, Abiola, MKO. Everybody's waiting for that. Everybody.
Máa kó wa jẹ nìṣó ìwọ ní bàbá wa. Máa kó wa jẹ nìṣó ọba Ṣọ̀run. Máa kó wa jẹ nìṣó ló jẹ. Ògùn kọ́ ọ̀run ló ti mọ rí Ọláwáyé o kò sọ fún wọn. Ọ̀run ló ti mọ rí oyè wá kò yé wọn ní. Àti dára tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ olórí ló jẹ́. Ògùn kọ́ Tògùnbá Mọ̀ṣúdì ní Ọláwálé Abíọ́lá o. Àlàáfíà ẹni gígùn kó máa jẹ́ Abíọ́lá mi ò mọ̀ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe èmi ò mọ̀ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe ògbójẹ ẹfẹgbẹ ò sì tún gbà wó fọ èmi yóò má mọ ohun tó gbà ò ṣe mo ní mi yóò mọ wọn gbà ò ṣe o Mọ̀ṣúdì mi yóò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe mi yóò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe o Abíọ́lá mi yóò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe lọ orókà lẹ̀bẹ̀ ó gbẹ fún ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ ò jẹun tó yí lọ ó pọ̀ rẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ò dá ẹ̀ lóhùn Mọ̀ṣúdì mi ò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ mi ò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe o Abíọ́lá mi ò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe àgúnlá àgúntẹ̀tẹ̀ ọmọlẹ̀ ni wọ́n bó gbé wọn sórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì wọn jábọ́ lẹ́yìn àpọ́nlé àbùkù ló pọ̀n Mọ̀ṣúdì mi ò mọ ohun wọn pé ò ṣe ẹ bá mi pè ó Abíọ́lá ẹ bá mi pè ó Abíọ́lá adúmọ̀ṣúdì tó ṣe fónílé ológun dúdú tó ṣe fàlejò.
Shina, that one I promised
to hear. Me too.
I'll be back.
It's okay.
Okay. It is well.
It is well.
It is well. It is well.
It is well. It is well with my soul, with my soul. It is well. It is well with my soul. Ta làwọn wọ̀nyí bíra wọ̀ níwájú ìtẹ́ mímọ́ tí wọ́n sì dé adéwúrà ẹgbẹ́ ògo wò léyìí bọ́ wọ́n ń kọ́ hallelúyà orin yín sọ́ba wọn Mọ̀ṣúdì ìjà dópin ogun sì tán. Abíọ́lá jagun mólú orin ayọ̀ la ó máa kọ. Mọ̀ṣúdì Báṣọ̀run Abíọ́lá bye bye. Rest in peace, Daddy.
Okay, let's talk about Shinomania. Let's talk about Shinomania.
Dele, Báṣọ̀run Dele, you started it all. When I left studio, you were the first person that I played the music for. And I can remember, then you invited to Sheraton Hotel. We all listened to it. And we do some corrections. And after that, you, Dele, Báṣọ̀run Dele Momodu, you went gaga with that title called Shinomania. The Weekend Concord, front page, full page, the man called Shinomania. For the first time, me parents. You remember?
Yes. Sony Music gave me a contract.
Yeah.
God bless you. Kuno was my daddy and mommy.
Sony Music. Èmi ò sí lẹ́gbàá yẹn mo ti lọ sí US. Ìwọ ló ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Ìwọ ló pe press.
In my city with me, I brought in all the media. I remember.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So can you give us a few words from experience.
Yá lọ ságbo ṣínà o, mọ́mí àdàdì yóò yá o. Yá lọ ságbo ṣínà o, níbi ọlọ́mọge fìkébèjò tó ń fà àyájọ́. Àfojújú sẹ́ńtà, unlimited fàájì, àwọn guys ló nìyẹn. Jìgìjìgì képe jìgbé jìgbé jìgìjìgì gẹ̀gẹ̀ jìgẹ̀. Bọ́jàngẹ̀ ẹ̀ ló yá o, bàbá bàbá ṣúgà mọ́mí ṣúgà dàdì ó yá o. Yá lọ ságbo ṣínà o, níbi ọlọ́mọge fìkébèjò tó ń fà àyájọ́. Àfojújú sẹ́ńtà, unlimited fàájì, àwọn guys ló nìyẹn. Pa-pa-pa, 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 ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ẹ wá gbọ́rú mọ́ nǹkan tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ tẹ́tí ẹ gbọ́rú mọ́ nǹkan tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ wá gbọ́rú mọ́ nǹkan tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ tẹ́tí ẹ gbọ́rú mọ́ nǹkan tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n ní Yorùbá gbà tí Ṣínà mọ́, Haúsá ti kíbọ̀ nìkan náà ń jó. Ìrọ̀lẹ́ ń pa Yorùbá o, Haúsá o, Ìgbò o, ọmọ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ wọn jíjọ wa. Ìfẹ́ tẹni sí Ṣínà Peter tó fi ṣe ń rere ìdùnnú yín ló yẹ kó jẹ́. Onílù táyé báyé sí tí ò fi ṣe ń rere, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ fura. Ó ní ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ fura sí o. Ẹ sì yà màmá ẹgẹjá sí ìjọ ìlú àtọ́rí ní iṣẹ́ wọn. Wọ́n fi ṣe ń rere. Ṣínà Peter ńkọ́ o, bákan náà ni. Àkànbí ńkọ́ o, bákan náà ni. Ẹgbàgbé ọ̀tẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa jó. Mẹ́kúnà dáńsì o, mẹ́kúnà dáńsì o, mẹ́kúnà dáńsì o, mẹ́kúnà dáńsì o.
Wow. Now, when we were singing, the second side of Ace remains one of my best. Adé Odútayọ̀ kọ́lé kan, Ìsọ̀lọ̀ lọ́mọ kọ́lé sí. Do you remember that one?
Yes. Even bolo fẹ́ kí n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Anywhere, Adé Odútayọ̀.
Ṣọ́ra o, bẹ́ẹ̀gẹ̀ jìgì bẹ́ẹ̀gẹ̀ jìgì ọmọ ènìyàn yóò lọ. Ṣọ́ra o, tó bá lówó lọ́wọ́. Ayé á bá ẹ ná, tó bá kọ́lé mọ́lé. Ayé á bá ẹ gbé, bí Gúrújì ẹ bá lọ jí pẹ́rẹ́ wá ní. Ọmọ mi ni, àbúrò mi ni, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni. Ṣé tó bá lówó lọ́wọ́? Bàbá mi pẹ̀lú bàbá tiẹ̀, ọmọ bàbá ni wọ́n. Bí Gúrújì ẹ bá lọ jí pẹ́rẹ́ o gbé. Ìyá mi pẹ̀lú màmá tiẹ̀, ará ilé ni wọ́n jẹ́. Ọmọ ènìyàn yìí ò lọ. Ṣọ́ra o, jẹ́ kó sáfẹ́rẹ́ díẹ̀ kó kù díẹ̀ kó tó. I'm sorry for you. Ìgbà yẹn ló máa tó mọ̀ báyé ṣe jẹ́. Ẹni tó ti mọ̀ ń tẹ́lẹ̀ gbẹ́bí lẹ jẹ́. Ẹni tó ti mọ̀ ń tẹ́lẹ̀ gbọ́rẹ́ lẹ jẹ́. Ọmọge tó ti mọ̀ ń tẹ́lẹ̀ gbólólùfẹ́ ń ní. Wàá dẹni yẹ̀yẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Jésù ní gbàdánwò, gbàdúrà fún mi. Kèmí máa bá sá ọ, kì í sì ṣàkólá. Bàbá ṣì yé méjì, wọ́n bójú wò mí. Kẹ̀rù tàbí ṣáájú, máa mú mi ṣubú. Now go back to Odútayọ̀ kọ́lé kan ó ga. Ìsọ̀lọ̀ lọ́mọ kọ́lé sí. White corner peace, white corner peace. Onílé ọ̀la o, onílé ọ̀la o, alágbàlá o. Ilé adé láti foundation. Nílé adé, jìgì ló fi kọ́. Gbogbo floor pátápátá máa bù òkúta ọba. Irú ọ̀dà wo ládé fi kunlé? Ọ̀dà funfun láti Hollywood ní ìlú Amẹ́ríkà. Onílé ọ̀la o, onílé ọlá o
Onílé
alágbàlá
ọlá.
òkun jagunlabi tó fi àńlá ọlá kọ́lé alárabàrà pàṣà ọkùnrin mẹ́ta ìgbà adé ń lo yàrá kan ẹnìkan orí délé irú ilé wo ládé kọ́ ènìyàn láwọ̀ ewé ilé alárabàrà irú ilé wo ládé kọ́ o ènìyàn láwọ̀ ewé ilé alárabàrà adé o Odùtáyọ̀ mo gbà ti yẹ òṣìṣẹ́ kan náà mọ́ wọn lọ́wọ́ adé mo gbà ti yẹ Odùtáyọ̀ tèmi ni ó ṣe onílé ọlá o alágbàlá òkun White House là ń lọ adékọ́lé tán ọlọ́tẹ́ débẹ̀ wọ́n da tọ́ kẹ́ni máa ní débẹ̀ wọ́n ń yọ mí lójú. Ìgbà tá a tẹ́ lo yàrá kan ẹnìkan orí White House là ń lọ ilé funfun bọ̀bọ̀ mi Amẹ́ríkánò Nàìjà ló wà yóò wájú àbójú òde.
Oh wow. Tonight is a great night. Oh no, my fìlù sílẹ̀, Commander.
Yeah, that was ìgbà tí Commander bàbá mi tí wọ́n ń ṣe retirement nígbà yẹn kọ́ lọ́n tó bá mi dá ó dàbí pé mi gan pàápàá àdúrà mi ló gbà èmi ni mo play bẹ́ẹ̀ mo wá ń kọ orin fún wọn wípé òbẹ́ o olórin ọba olórin ìjòyè ó ń kọrin ọlọ́run ẹ bá mi bò pé ó kó má fìlù sílẹ̀ o Commander ẹyẹ sí ìgbà ti yẹ ṣé mi ò ṣe nísìnyí ṣọ́ mi ò ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe mo ní kí bàbá mi mo ní kí bàbá fìlù sílẹ̀.
Bàbá Òbí live here tomorrow.
ẹ bá mi sọ fún wọn lọ́la pé èmi ọmọ mo ti fohùn sílẹ̀ fún wọn. Òbẹ́ o Dáfídì olórin ọba.
Òbí ọkọ Juliana. Òbí ọkọ Juliana ẹnu ẹ̀mú tọ́wọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni àwọn tí wọ́n fìlù lé àwa lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. Onílù tó bá ń lùlù tí ò bá fi lé àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́ ìlú yẹn á parun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹ wo iye èèyàn tó ń play afrojuju ẹ wo mílíọ̀nù kan máa fi jẹ kan máa fi mu wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ná ṣọlá.
Wow, that's good. So some people are saying you didn't give them anything from Shinamania, that we just jumped to.
Okay, action. Afrojuju Shina Peter sígbà tí wà lóde. Afrojuju Shina Peter sígbà tí wà lóde. Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí ìyẹn jíjọ́ oríṣiríṣi. Sùn ẹgbẹ́ ijó rìndìrìndì ẹ mú kúrò lára. Ìjọ Shina Sàgbàdégbé ìlú Shina rẹ̀ kí ló ṣe lára ọ̀dọ́. Ẹ̀dá wọn lápọ̀ tí ó yọ o. Ẹ lọ gbómi láàká náà Shina gbòde. Ìràwọ̀sán tí ń bàgbà lẹ́rù náà ṣe fẹ́ pa mí Shina gbòde. Mo ṣe bí tẹ́lẹ̀ rí wá ní Shina Peter mo rí kọ. Àmọ́ ẹ ti gbà níṣẹ́ yóò fẹ́fẹ́ tó voice. Orin tó máa mọ́gbọ́n wá ìlú aládùn. Shina Peters ló nìyẹn èmi lọ́lọ́ fún o. The time don reach where I go talk you. The time don reach where I go talk to my people. Talk. Shina Peters. Talk. Shina Peters. Talk wo. Make them hear. Bada. Now for Nigeria men, give our women chance to rule. Give our women chance to rule. Go to England, now woman they rule. Go to India, we may rule them before. Raping the Philippines, Nicaragua, we may rule them before. Now, wow, in Nigeria, there are women of knowledge. North and South, there are women of substance. East, West, give them chance to deliver the goods. I beg you. Oh. African women get knowledge. African women beautiful. Ọmọge jíjọ ṣìnà. Wọ́n jíjọ ṣìnà. Wọ́n jíjọ ṣìnà. Wọ́n jíjọ ṣìnà. Màjò ṣòlè jó jíjọ ṣìnà yìí. Màjò ṣòlè jó jíjọ ṣìnà. Délé mi nìkan náà ni mò ń kọ́ èmi nìkan náà ni mò ń gbé sí o fẹ́ pa mí ni.
Ìwọ mo bẹ gbé bí máa rí mo bẹ gbé.
Pélémọ́ ìjọ ṣìnà yìí. Afrojuju. Ọmọge look your front, look your back. Think back so before you fall for that man. You can be Miss World, you can be Miss Africa, you can be Miss Nigeria. Without money, nothing can be done. You can be Miss World, you can be Miss Africa, you can be Miss Nigeria. Without money, nothing can be done. I said before, love between men and women. But nowadays, money for hand, bad for ground. Me, I know they play women, yo. I know they play women at all because they be one baby refugees. They be one baby refugees. They be one baby refugees. If you say they be one baby refugees, cash, she won't say inside beautiful duplex. All these things, now go cause Ọmọge you fine, yeah, oh baby, oh, Ọmọge you fine, oh. Just here, Lord. Dele, you can be Mr. World, you can be Mr. Africa, you can be Mr. Nigeria. Without money, nothing can be done. You can be Mr. World, you can be Mr. Africa, you can be Mr. Ovation. Without money, nothing can be done. Baba, you handsome, yeah, Baba, Baba, you handsome.
Baba. Sashina, you are doing your Peteru. Go on.
Ọmọ Pẹ́tẹ́rù. Ìjàpá tó bá dé di èrò ká fò ó.
You are doing your PhD exam today. PhD exam. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ó yá. Mo rọ́mọge tó rẹwà tó gbó pẹ́sẹpẹ́ fi gbọ́.
Ohun tó sọ pé kò dùn ní jọ sí o. Yegede Olúwa ti fòyìn sí o. Gbẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ ojú ti gbẹ̀gbẹ̀gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́ gbẹ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ gígígígígí.
Ojú ti tì wọ́n.
Ọ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ tẹ́jọ́ yọ lọ wọ́n mọ́ ọ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ tẹ́jọ́ yọ lọ wọ́n mọ́ ẹgbà yíyẹ̀wò ẹ̀sọ́dọ̀ orin ó ti fòyìn so àdúgbò Olúwa ti fòyìn so bàbádà Yegede Olúwa ti fòyìn so bàbádà. Dele.
Pẹ̀lẹ́. Well, let me, you are over MKO. A lot of people are paying tribute, and I'm very, very emotional. I want to thank all of you.
Thank you.
He was a good man.
Good man. My godfather, my daddy, my everything. MKO Abiola.
I am
nobody can replace you. Nobody can replace you. Bàtà tẹ bọ́lẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó lè wọ̀. Kò sọ́mọ Yorùbá náà kò sí. kò sí.
Sorry, it happens. It's good to cry sometimes,
Yes.
so that you can let out
I feel
your
you, my
emotion.
brother. I feel you, bro.
Yeah.
I feel you, bro.
So people are asking you to sing part of Dancing Time.
Ha.
Yeah, I told you it's your PhD exam.
Mo ti kọ Dancing Time. Mo ti kọ Dancing Time.
Okay. What was the second side of experience? Bùnmi Sanya.
Kí ni mo ti kọ the other side of Dancing Time. Bá mi kí Bùnmi. The other side of the other side of Dancing Time. Ó ní mo ti kọ yẹn. Ìdùnnú tó sọ pé kò dùn níjọ́sí.
Yeah.
Orin bọ̀, orin bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nu mi o, Àkànbí, orin bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́nu mi o. Délé, tẹ́ni o, tẹ́ni. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò ṣe fi wo mi, tẹ́ni. You are mine.
Well, I wish we could go spent. I must thank you.
We thank God
for this great experience. I'm sure we'll bring you back one of these days just to entertain. This has been some fantastic entertainment tonight. We just have to round it up now, and may God continue to bless you. Amen. Yes, I think the climax was the Abiola saga. If we continue, we will continue to mess up in public. So we just have to end it on this note. May Daddy's soul rest in peace. So, Oremi, you can give us an a cappella with your guitar. If you still have your guitar close to you, you can give us anything. Or you left it inside? You left your guitar inside?
Yes. Because of network.
Don't worry. It's okay. We are happy that we were able to see your face. And so greet your family. And God be with you. You know, amen. I love you. Absolutely. I love you. Yeah.
I love you, bro.
You're a great guy.
I love you.
You're a great guy. You're a great guy.
My fans all over the world. God bless you. God bless you. This COVID-19 kò ní gbà yín mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́, kò ní gbà mí mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ o. Ọlọ́run á máa fi ààbò rẹ̀, á máa fi gbogbo wa pátápátá. Ẹ má fọwọ́ ti ojú. A distance ara yín by 3 meters. You know, Olúwa ààbò rẹ̀ á wà lórí gbogbo wa. I cover all of you with the blood of Jesus. God bless you.
Thank you, Sir Shina Peters. God bless you. All our viewers from